Measurement of memory. The storage devices mainly differ in their storage capacity, that is, how much data they can store. You may have heard of various memory sizes in computer and mobile devices, such as 4 GB, 16 GB, 64 GB, etc. What does that mean? Memory in a computer is measured in bytes, which represent units of digital information. The smallest unit is a bit, binary digit, represented by 0 or 1. 8 bits combined together form a byte, which in turn represents a character, numerals, letters, symbols. Furthermore, memory is measured using units like kilobytes, kilobyte, megabytes, MB, gigabytes, GB, terabits, TB, and beyond. For example, 1 gigabyte equals 1024 megabytes. Here is a table of memory measuring units, showing their hierarchy and equivalent values. Unit. Size in bytes. Bit. Smallest unit of data representing either 0 or 1. 1 byte. 8 bits. 1 kilobyte, kilobyte. 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte, megabyte. 1024 kilobytes, 1,048,576 bytes. 1 gigabyte, gigabyte. 1024 megabytes, 1,073,741,824 bytes. 1 terabyte, terabyte. 1024 gigabytes, 1,99,511,627,776 bytes. 1 PB, petabyte. 1024 terabits. 1 EB, exabyte. 1024 PB. 1 ZB, zettabyte. 1024 EB. 1 YB, yottabyte. 1024 ZB. Ports. Ports are the connecting points on the CPU. Monitor, keyboard, printer, and other peripheral devices are connected to the computer through ports. Some of the ports are discussed below. Serial ports. A serial port transmits data bit by bit. It consists of a single cable that sends 8 bits of data. A mouse and keyboard are linked to the CPU through a serial port. Parallel ports. A parallel port transmits or receives 8 bits, 1 byte per second. These 8 bits are transferred in parallel. These ports have a 25-pin female connector and are commonly used to connect devices such as printers, scanners, external hard disk drives, and so on. USB port. USB is an abbreviation for Universal Serial Bus. It is becoming increasingly widespread and is used to connect a wide range of devices such as printers, scanners, mice, keyboards, speakers, and so on. It is a straightforward and simple port. Display port. The display port is a digital interface used to connect a computer or device to a monitor, allowing the transfer of high-definition video and audio signals. It supports higher resolutions, refresh rates, and multiple display setups. These can be of different types, such as Video Graphics Array, VGA, and High-Definition Multimedia Interface, HDMI, depending on the requirement. Audio port. The audio port is used to connect audio devices like headphones, speakers, or microphones to a computer or audio system. There are also specialized audio ports for microphones called line-in ports. Similarly, for the speaker and headphone, there are line-out ports. These are meant for sound output, enabling higher quality sound transmission for more complex audio setups. Ethernet port. The Ethernet port is a network connection used to link a computer or device to a local area network, LAN, or the internet through a wired connection. Ethernet provides a more stable and faster internet connection compared to wireless alternatives, Wi-Fi. Power port. The power port is used to supply electrical power to a device. For computers, laptops, and other electronics, this port connects the device to a power source, either from an electrical outlet or a battery charger.